amazing race. Nakamit din siya ng third place Spelling Poetry Contest.
Nakalimutan ko mag-intro. Aray ko.
At air race, Laraken, Unified Sports Challenge 2025. Badminton Double Boys, silver medalist, and second place of Division Festival of Talents, National Challenge ID for learner with disabilities.
Ay, Ali, congrats! Congrats, best friend!
Caitlin Discipolo, second place winner in a Lincoln Star Quest Division Festival of